In the middle of Dotonbori. The location is in the middle of Dotonbori. Just walk about 200 meters and we can get all we want: Family Mart, shopping store like Uniqlo, etc., resto, cruise. Great. Exceptional great location. Nice place to stay location, 100 emoji, cleanliness, spacious for solo travel. Nice place to stay. Highly recommended. Perfect, love the place. D staff are helpful and courteous. D room south big and location is perfect. Center of everything. Wanna book again sometime, so close with Glycoman. Exceptional, superb. Especially the location. Great location. Great location. In the heart of everything. Just a few steps to Glycoman. If you want to do shopping, you can drop your things at the hotel first as it's just behind the Glyco sign. We'll book this again when I get back to Osaka. Had a great stay, worth the price. Good location and clean, near the market everywhere, easy to walk. Recommended hotel. Good location, friendly staff, nice design, staff are friendly, clean and comfortable room, fast checkout. It was an excellent stay. Located slightly further away from city center and sure will go again. Best location in Shinsaibashi, the hotel nearby Glycoman, street food and shopping zone. Room is very clean and frequently to change the towel. Recommended, that a very convenient place to stay in your trip. A comfy stay in Dotonbori. For a lively city like Osaka, it is the best hotel for stay with excellent facilities, helpful staff, cleanliness, great value for money, and convenient access to major attractions. Loved it.